Hello students, welcome to my class. Today we will discuss about linear inequations. In this lecture I will teach you how to solve linear inequations and also how to represent the solution set on a number line. And I will teach you all the methods that you need to know to solve a linear inequations. And to tell you children, this chapter is important, and most importantly the chapter is easy, and this chapter is going to be there in your senior classes also. So I am telling you children, this chapter is not difficult. Listen to me, watch my video, solve all the questions given in your text, and I am 100% sure you will not face any difficulty to solve the questions. And one more thing to keep in mind, that I am going to stick to your syllabus. So children, I am sure you will like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. And here we begin. Now, whenever we have to solve a linear inequations, there are two things that are given to you. One is the replacement set, another is the linear inequations. That means the linear inequations whichever is given to you when you solve, the answers will be within the replacement set. That means from the replacement set you have to take the solution set. So the set which is given, from there you have to choose the answer. That is the solution set. So let's now tell you what is the basic difference between an equation and an inequations. We have already done linear equation in my previous video. You must have seen, you must have solved also. When we talk about an equation, it is always when one thing is equal to another. For example, x is equal to 5. So the variable x, the value is 5. Or you are given equations where x minus 2 is equal to 8, which implies x is equal to minus 2 goes there. So becomes 8 plus 2. In this case, x is equal to 10. So you have done enough of solving equations. But in an inequation, what happens? When one thing is not equal, exactly equal, it can be less than, greater than, less than equal to, or greater than equal to. Like one small example I have taken, x is less than 7. So the less than sign. It could have been greater than sign also. So any value which is greater than 7. It could have been less than equal to. So any value which is equal to 7 as well as less than 7. Or it can be greater than equal to. That means the value can be equal to 7 or greater than 7. So these are the 4 different signs of inequations. I'll repeat: less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to are the 4 inequation signs. Now we come to the replacement set. That means the set from which the value of the x has to be chosen. Inequations will be given to you which you have to solve, and the solution set. That means the set which satisfy the given inequations, and you have to select the answer from the replacement set. Now I have taken 2 examples for you. The first example, the replacement set is n. That means the natural numbers, and all the natural numbers starts from 1. And the inequation is x is less than 4. So definitely what will be the solution set? Less than 4. So the values are 1, 2, 3, because your replacement set is 9. There's another equation example which I have taken where the replacement sets are the elements minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. So from minus 4 to 2, all the integers. And the inequation is x is greater than minus 2. So the solution is greater than minus 1, 0, 1, 2. We have chosen the values which fit in the inequations and is in the replacement set. So this is the basic of the inequations. Now the properties. When we have to solve the inequations, what are the basic rules that we have to take care of. So first one, on adding and subtracting the same number with a positive or negative, each side, it does not change the sign of the inequality. If you, like in the equation, we can add the same number both sides, we can subtract the both numbers same side. Here also we can do, we can add the number to both sides, we can subtract a same number from both sides. In this case, the sign will not change. The second, this is also similar to the equation. If we multiply or divide by a positive number, if it's a positive number, we do not change the sign. But most important, if we multiply or we divide by a negative number, then we reverse the sign, children. Now this is different from inequality. The first two are same. When we add or we subtract same number on either side, we do not change the sign. If we multiply or divide by the same positive number, we do not change the sign. But if we multiply or divide by a negative number, we reverse the sign. That means the less than sign will become greater than, the greater than sign will become less than. Now, there are some questions which I have noted down for you. Let's solve them one by one so it becomes more simple, easy, and it will help you to solve your questions. Now this is the first question where you have to solve 4x plus 1 greater than equal to 17 and the replacement set is n, that is natural number. So the next number 4x is greater than equal to, the plus 1 sign goes here, so 17 minus 1, sign doesn't change. 4x is greater than 16, x is greater than 16 by 4, a positive number is dividing, so the sign does not change. So the value of x is greater than equal to 4. Now from the replacement set n, the solution set becomes 4 because equal to sign is there, greater than, so 4, 5, 6, 7, endlessly it will go. So this is one question. The second question that I have taken for you is, you have to solve the inequation 2x minus 1 is greater than 9 and the replacement set is minus 6, minus 3, 0, 3, 6, 9. These are the elements. On solving this, I get 2x greater than 9 plus 1. So the sign does not change. 2x is greater than 10. 2 gets divided. Positive number is dividing. The sign is not changing. So x is greater than 5. From here, x is greater than 5 are only 6 and 9, which is the solution set taken from the given replacement set. The third question that I have taken for you is this. So here the inequation is minus 7 less than 9y minus 8, where the replacement set is y belongs to z. Z means integer. So minus 8 comes this side, that is minus 7 plus 8 is less than 9, sign doesn't change. Minus 17 plus 8 is minus 9, sign does not change, less than 9y. We divide by the positive 9, so the sign does not change. So minus 1 less than y. That means y is greater than minus 1. And the replacement set is integer. So the answer is 0, 1, 2, 3 and endlessly it will go because integers can go up to infinity. The next question. Number 4. The inequation minus 5 bracket x plus 4 bracket close greater than 30 and replacement set x belongs to z, that is integer. So x plus 8 is less than 30 by minus 5. Now here you see the sign which was given to us was greater. On dividing a minus number, negative number, the sign reverses. So greater than sign changes to less than. So x plus 4 is less than minus 6. X is less than minus 4 because addition subtraction sign does not change. So x is less than minus 10. less than minus 10, replacement set integer, so the solution set minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, endlessly it will go. I think this question is showing you the third property that we discussed. Now we come to the fifth sum. Solve 15 minus 2 bracket 2x minus 1 less than 15 and the replacement set x belongs to z integer. So minus 2 bracket 2x minus 1, 15 comes here, 15 minus 15 is 0, the sign does not change. On dividing both sides by minus 2, sign changes. So 2x minus 1 is greater than, it was less than, changes to greater than. 0 by minus 2 is 0. Minus 1 goes that side, becomes plus 1. Divided by positive number 2, sign doesn't change. So x is greater than half. Therefore, the integer, the solution set is 1, 2, 3, 4 endlessly. So these are some sums which I solved, and I have taken care that I have introduced all the properties that we discussed in the previous slide so that it becomes simple for you to solve the exercise. Please solve all the sums given in the exercise. That will build confidence as well as clear all your doubts regarding linear inequations. Now, after finding the solution set, your next step is representing them on the number line. That is, the solution of inequations can be represented on a number line. Suppose the solution set is 0, 1, 2, 3. Then you draw the number line. I'm sure you all have done integers in standard 6 and you know how to draw the number line. 0 at the center, equidistant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the other side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Generally, we take care that if we have done up to 5 this side, we should put up to minus 5 the other side also, with the arrows showing that the number line can be extended on both sides. Now here the solution set is 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. They are darkened dots. Darkened dots. If your solution set is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. That means starting from 1, it goes endlessly to the negative side. Then again the number line, you can draw up to 5 also. I have drawn up to 4 here. If you want, you can draw up to 5. Put 2 arrows at the 2 end. Now, starts from 1, darken dot. 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. It's going endless. So, a dark arrow showing that the representation can go endlessly. If the replacement set is a rational number, which will include all the numbers, and your solution is x is less than equal to 3, then it is less than equal to 3 means 3 and all towards the left hand side. Then again draw the number line, darkened dot at 3 and a dark line on the number line with an arrow. Why dark line and why dots here? Dark line means all the numbers present are rational and everything less than 3 is equal to 3. So a darkened dot, dark line on the number line and dark arrow. But if the same question becomes less than 3 and the replacement set is a rational number again, in that case the representation would be a circle, a small circle but not darkened. If you darken, it will become equal to 3. We don't darken the dot, we make a small circle. Rest is same. Darken the line and dark arrow. These are the 4 ways of representing on the number line, which I have tried to put it down. If it is just the numbers, dots on those numbers. If it is extended towards positive or negative, few dots to be darkened and dark arrow to be shown on the side, it gets extended. If it is less than equal to or greater than equal to, the darkened dot and to be darkened on the rest of the part of the number line. If it is only less than or greater than, then it's a circle which is not darkened. A small circle which is not darkened. I hope the difference is clear. I have taken down some of the questions for you so that the representation becomes easy for you. The first question. And the inequation is 8x minus 9 greater than equal to 35 minus 3x, where x belongs to natural number. I will not read out the rest of the lines. You can try out in your rough notebook and come to the answer directly, which I have done, but I am not explaining now. The answer is x is greater than equal to 4. So your solution set can be 4, 5, 6 and endlessly. So the number line darkened at 4, darkened at 5, darkened at 6 and one arrow showing, darkened arrow showing that it will go towards the positive line. The second question is inequation 2 by 5x plus 1 is less than minus 3 and the replacement set is x belongs to rational number. So when you solve, you will get the answer x is less than minus 10. So the representation is a small circle at minus 10, darkened line towards the left hand side and darkened arrow showing that it can extend to the left hand side endlessly. One more question. The inequation is 5 bracket x minus 2 greater than 4 bracket x plus 3 minus 24. The replacement set is minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So all the integers from minus 4 to 4. When we solve, we get the answer as x greater than minus 2. So the answers, that is the solution set, is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And those places are darkened dots. We don't have greater than minus 2 any towards the right hand side since the replacement set is given. Had it been an integer, we could have shown an arrow, but here we cannot show the arrow because we are taking the answers directly from the given replacement set. Then one more set I have made it ready for you, and the fourth question is equation solution set, replacement set. When we solve, we get x greater than minus 2. So representation at minus 2, circle which is not darkened, dark straight line, arrow also darkened to show that it will go towards the right hand side endlessly. One more question. I don't think I need to explain the method to solve these because I explained on my second slide all the ways, all the properties used in solving the linear inequations. Now, when you solve the equations and when you solve the number of linear equations, you will be mastering yourself in this. So, though I have shown you the step, but explanation, I leave it up to you. But yes, of course, if you have doubts, please put it in the comment section. I'm definitely there to help you out and show you how to make the work easier. Okay, so this is the question. This is the replacement set. This is the solution where x is greater than equal to minus 12. So minus 12 is a darkened dot. Dark line on the number line which goes towards the right hand side endlessly, so a dark arrow showing the endless way of answering. Then this question, and this is the natural number, x is less than 3, so definitely the solution is 1 and 2, and here it is shown in dots. So actually we have done all the types of questions that I could arrange for you to explain the method of solving the linear equations, the method to represent it on the number line, I have shown you the first slide where I'm talking about the replacement set, the solution set. I'm talking about the different method to solve the inequations. I have taken examples of the around some 8 to 10 questions on solving the linear equations, and the slide to show you how to represent it on the number line. I have taken 6 examples to show you on the number line, and I'm sure if you are watching my video properly, this linear inequation chapter is going to be easy for you children. It is not difficult. Practice as many as questions you can from your book, solve all of them. And children, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will be putting up more videos. So till then, bye children, take care.